At yun na nga no mga kabayan, sa pagpapatuloy nga ng hearing kaugnay nga dito sa mga anomalyang ipinasok ni Mayor Tumang sa Mexico, Pampanga, atin nga napag-alaman na ito nga si Mayor Tumang ay nag-loan ng 950 million pesos para sa iba't ibang proyekto ng kanilang lugar. Isa na nga rito, ang paglipat nga ng munisipyo patungo sa ibang lugar dahil ayon sa mga konsehal ay ito daw ay maliit na, luma pa at malapit pa daw sa palengke. Ngunit ang paglilipat ng lugar na binili nila na may value na 18 pesos ay binili nga sa halagang 2,900 pesos na masyadong malayo doon sa value ng lupa ayon na rin sa asesor ng kanilang lugar. Hindi lang yan mga kabayan, maging itong si Mayor Tumang ay pinagbabayad nga ng 43 million pesos. At atin nga napag-alaman na nagbayad nga naman itong si Mayor Tumang ng 43 million pesos ngunit hinati sa 4 na bayarin. Ayon nga kay Mayor, nagbayad daw siya ng cash na nahahati sa 4 na transaksyon. Ngunit ang katakataka at ipinagtataka nga rin ni Congressman Marcoleta, paano nabayaran ni Mayor Tumang ang isang transaksyon na mayroong Centimos sa dulo na may 88 cents. Ipinipilit nga nito ni Mayor Tumang at ng kanyang treasurer na talaga daw na nagbayad si Mayor Tumang ng 88 cents at sinuklian pa daw ito ng 12 cents. Saan ka makakakita ng 1 centimos ngayon? Ito ang malaking katakatakang gustong malaman ni Congressman Marcoleta. At kung bago ka pa nga lang sa akin channel, huwag mga kalimutan i-hit ang like at subscribe button para updated ka sa mga uploads ko araw-araw, kabayan. Panoorin natin ang kabuuan ng video ito.
Honorable Marcoleta.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. Inintay ko po yung mga notes ko but while the notes are coming in, I will follow up the answers for the last questions that we left out during the last hearing, Mr. Chair. I remember in the last hearing, because 43 million was already paid from what appeared to be the final amount allowed by COA in reference to the special audit made by the former COA chairman Pulido Tan. Of the 82 million that remained, that was assumed to be allowed by the COA, 43 million appeared to have been paid, Mr. Chair, and we asked at that time who were the persons responsible in paying the 43 million. I believe, Mr. Chair, because there were several persons determined to be liable under the notices of disallowance, we also asked the COA at the time to please identify those persons and who from those persons paid the 43 million, or whether or not some of them contributed, if not all of them did. So yun po yung naiwan na isa sa mga tanong, Mr. Chair. Is COA now in a position to answer the committee, sir?
Before the COA answers the query of Honorable Marcoleta, let me acknowledge the presence of the Honorable Johnny Pimentel, 2nd District Secretary. So thank you, sir, for coming. Now, COA, is COA around? Please answer the query of the Honorable Marcoleta.
Good afternoon, Your Honors. I am Attorney Alexander Juliano, Assistant Commissioner, overseeing the Special Services sector of the Commission. Mr. Chair, regarding the query of the Honorable Marcoleta, we have here copies of official receipts representing refund of 43,367,313.79 notice of disallowances issued by the special audit team. And under these documents, the payer is Teddy C. Tumang et al. And we have all the official receipt constituting this 43 million are with us, Your Honors.
Mr. Chair, I'd like to ask if only Mayor Tumang was the one who paid or he was assisted by the others, because it is Mayor Tumang et al. We would like to know how much, if any, did the others contribute to the payment of that 43 million plus amount, Mr. Chair.
Before the COA answers the query, the follow-up query of Honorable Marcoleta, let me acknowledge and thanks the presence of our Secretary General, Reginald Velasco. Thank you, Secretary, for coming. Please proceed, COA.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Based on our records, the payer is Mr. Teddy C. Tumang et al. And we have no personal knowledge who among those persons liable actually paid this, because this was paid before the collecting officer, municipal treasurer Anita A. Lagman, and we are not present. We were not present during the time that these were paid to the municipality. Thank you.
And did you further verify, attorney, whether that payment really went through the books of the municipality such that the amount has been included in an appropriation where it was utilized thereafter? Meaning to say, I'm asking whether or not it was recorded fully and accurately or actually paid. Kung talagang the books were examined, it's not just a case of, let's say, acknowledging the receipt that something is paid, but it was not actually reflected in the books of the municipality. If that is the case, then COA, I would say, stop where they should have also looked into that particular transaction.
COA, please answer the query.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. We requested the regional director of Region 3, Director Umus0k, to provide us the bank statement to verify if indeed those payments were deposited in the account of the municipality of Mexico. We have here, sir, a copy which is not yet certified by the appropriate official of Mexico. It appears here that the 43 million was deposited in the account of Mexico. At DBP, I think San Fernando branch, because this is not a very legible copy of the deposit slip.
Mr. Chair, maybe the treasurer of the municipality should confirm to us whether, well, the amount was deposited. That's one thing. But whether or not that amount was included in the appropriation of the municipality is another. Because it happens that it could be credited and then the next day it could be debited, and it will just go away. So we're trying to determine with definiteness whether that payment really went through the appropriation funds of the municipality, because that's very important. Anybody, Mr. Chair, will be in a position to tell us that the money was really paid, and it commingled with the appropriation amount for a certain year. Para malinaw lang.
With the indulgence of the Honorable Marcoleta, before we proceed with the treasurer of the Mexico Pampanga and with Mayor Tumang. He might answer the query of the Honorable Marcoleta. Sa COA lang po, when was you get that document? Is that the original document coming from your office during those time when the payment was done, or you just requested and get it from the municipality of Mexico, Pampanga?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. We requested the regional director of COA.
You requested after the first hearing.
Actually, yes, after the
So
first hearing.
so the regional director of Region 3 is present today. So please answer the query of the chairman.
Good afternoon, Your Honors. So, last Monday, I was asked by...
Please answer directly. Kailan mo nakuha yung dokumento na yan? At saan mo
yesterday,
nakuha?
Your Honor. Yesterday, Your Honor. I asked our audit team leader assigned thereat to provide us with copies upon the request of Assistant Commissioner Alex Uliano, sir.
So but that document was sourced out from the Mexico Pampanga office o nasa file nyo na yan? Kasi alam mo Honorable Marcoleta, kung yung documents that was asked to the COA, kung nakuha nila yan after the hearing, walang silbi. Because you want the document, the original document, after the findings of the COA and the payment made, ilang years na yon. Yun ang hinahanap natin. Kaya siguro, until now, you cannot produce all the names of those accountable officers na supposedly, you have those names in your files. Diba kasi 43 million? Sino yung mga accountable officers doon? Sa binayaran o sa bumayad? Diba dapat may file kayo yan? You should not rely with the Mexico Pampanga municipality. Wala rin eh. Kasi pinapa-require kayo to produce your files, your document. In short, Honorable Marcoleta, yun din yung ipipresent ng treasurer ng municipality of Mexico Pampanga. And the committee is asking the COA last hearing that you produce, including the names, the proof that indeed the accountable officers paid that 43 million. At the same time, the names of those accountable officers. Wala kayo, Region 3, COA, wala.
Your Honors, I think it is with the FAO that has the names of the persons accountable, sir. With respect to the payment, sir, what we received, what was provided us was that only Teddy C. Tumang et al. Was the payer, sir.
Pero may list of names kayo na mga accountable officers out of that 43 million. Meron.
I think Assistant Commissioner Juliano has the list, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. We have copies of notices of disallowance, and the persons liable are identified there. Under the rules of COA, the persons liable are jointly and severally liable. So any one of those persons liable could restitute the whole amount of disallowance. And since these were paid in 2018, and
Yes.
the special audit team is no longer the auditee, we have no personalized, Your Honor, who did pay this 43 million, but it is the official receipt stated that is Teddy Tumang et al.
Yes, Chairman PD.
With the indulgence of my good friend, Congressman Marcoleta, it was stated that 43 million was paid by some of the officials against whom a notice of disallowance was issued. Is that correct?
COA, please answer.
Your Honors, we can only rely on the documents.
Okay, and what
submitted
does
to
the
us.
document state?
The document stated that Teddy Tumang et al.
Huh?
That is the payer. Teddy Tumang et al.
And according to you, based on the document, it was received by a certain Anita Lagban.
That's correct, Your Honor.
And what is the position of Anita Lagban?
She is the municipal treasurer.
Is she present now? The municipal treasurer?
Your Honor, may I be recognized?
Yes, you
Are-
are the municipal treasurer.
I'm the acting municipal treasurer right now po.
Oh, what
Amit
can you
Anita
contribute?
Lagman po, already retired last 2021.
Can you answer my question, my query?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. So, the 43 million was received by the former treasurer, Anita Lagman.
Yes, Your Honor.
And whenever payment is being made to the city or to the local government, an official receipt is being issued.
Yes, Your Honor.
And in this particular case, you said that the payment was made in the name of, what's the first name?
Teddy Tumang et al.
Teddy Tumang. Who is Teddy Tumang?
Our municipal mayor.
Tumang, yes, municipal
Yes.
mayor.
Yes, Your
And
Honor.
what about the et al?
With regards to et al, sir, our office recognized payment only with regards to the et al. So at the receipts po, we only recognize Teddy Tumang et al.
So you are not aware who are the persons included with the phrase et al. Based on your records.
Your Honor, may I disclose, we have here the notice of settlement. This already includes the name of the et al, which are Teddy Tumang, Avelina Reyes, Perlita Lagman, Lucila Ahento, Marlon Maniacup, Jesus Punsalan, Adonis Cosio, and Anthony Maniago, and Edgardo Santiago, Your Honor.
I would address this question to Mayor Tumang.
Please proceed.
The
Chairman Pina.
payment was made sometime in 2018.
Yes, Your Honor.
What is the exact date of the date of payment?
Hindi ko na po matandaan.
Okay, what
Your
about
Honor.
the present municipal treasurer based on your records?
Your Honor, the payment were made last July 12, 2018, July 25, 2018, August 9, 2018, and December 28, 2018, Your Honor.
You mean to say that this is not one-time payment?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you make the breakdown together with the Xerox copies of the receipt and forward it to us?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mayor Tumang, out of that 43 million, how much did you share?
Your Honor, ako po yung nagbayad lahat.
You were the one who made the payment for 43 million.
Yes, Your Honor, sa tulong po ng aking mga pamilya.
Okay, so you made the payment because you know for a fact that the notice of disallowance is a proper finding made by the COA.
Nagkaroon po kaming na-end po kami. Sinabi po ng COA na dapat pong bayaran, Your Honor.
Okay, at sa tingin mo, dapat naman talagang bayaran.
Yun po yung lumabas na findings ng COA. So, sumunod po kami.
When you made the payment, in what form did you make the payment? Cheque, cash, etc.?
By cash po, Your Honor.
So you brought 43 million to the municipal treasurer. On
Yes,
July
Your Honor, not
12.
one time.
Ha?
Hindi po one time namin binayaran. Staggered.
Staggered. You just give us the breakdown. Municipal treasurer.
Your Honor, we have here the breakdown of the payment made last July 12, 2018. Payor Teddy C. Tumang et al. Amounting to 11,229,221 pesos and 78 centavos. July 25, 2018, amounting to 8,305,399 pesos and 32 centavos. August 9, 4,999,594 pesos and 76 centavos. And another payment made on August 9, 2018 by Mr. Robert Tugade, one of our supplier back then, amounting to 1,581,234 pesos and 5 centavos. And dated December 28, 2018, paid by Mayor Teddy Tumang, amounting to 17,251,863 pesos and 88 centavos, Your Honor.
My question is very basic. if the payment was made by Mayor Tumang alone, why is it that the receipt in the and that the receipt what appears to be the payer is Mayor Tumang et al.
Your Honor, the dated August 9, 2018, the part where Mr. Robert Tugade paid, the ORR already named after him po.
Yes, Robert Tugade.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's a third person.
Yes, po. Yes, Your Honor.
The certain doctor who happens to be the supplier of medicines.
Yes, supplier of the medicines, Your Honor.
Okay, I just want to have the record of that.
Yes, Your Honor.
My indulgence to my good friend.
Thank you, Chairman PD. Before we proceed, let me acknowledge the presence of the Honorable Raul Wongalon, Ako Bicol Parties. Thank you for coming. And let me inform everyone that all members present in this committee hearing are now excused in the plenary session. Please proceed, the Honorable Marcoleta.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Madam Treasurer, nagbayad pala si Mayor ng sa kas, sabi niya. Ito ba yun?
Yes. Hindi.
Yes, Your Honor.
Report.
Nagbayad si Mayor ng kas, di ba? Sinabi niya ngayon.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, in those instances when he paid in installments, kasi parang 4 na beses yata, 5 beses, merong 32 centavos, merong 88 centavos. So may dala-dala siya up to the last centavo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Really?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's say 11,788 pesos and 88 centavos. Dala-dala niya pati 88 centavos?
Parang in total, hindi ko Your Honor, I was only basing on the receipts I have right
Yun na
here.
nga eh. Sinabi niya nagbayad siya in cash. Isipin mo, mayroong payment dyan, 32 centavos. So, talaga ba? Pati yung 32 centavos, dala-dala, binilang mo, talagang...
Yes, Your Honor. If that the case po, usually po binibigyan naman sila ng sukle if ever po.